Hi, my name is Gerardo Celestino, and today we're going to learn about Newton's laws. So the first law is the law of inertia. The law of inertia states that in order for an object to move, we have to apply an external force for it to move constantly. For example, we have this pomegranate on the table. So right now it's sitting down on the table, so it's not moving. So in order for it to move forward, we have to apply force to it. So next up is the law of acceleration. So the law of acceleration states that there is a change in velocity over time. So for example, I have this car, and this car is just sitting down on the table. So, but imagine this car being real, and so we get into the car, and we put the key in the ignition, and we put it in drive mode. So this car will not instantly just go to 0 to 100 and in 30 seconds. It will gradually increase its speed as they move forward. So next up is the law of action and reaction. So the law of action and reaction states that two objects collide each other, and they receive the same amount of force in opposite direction. So for example, I have two of my hands, and once I collide both of them together, they're going to receive the same amount of force in opposite direction. And since the mass of it is the same, the acceleration will be the same. So now that we have finished learning about Newton's laws, let's get into the three classes of levers. So the first one is when the fulcrum is in the middle of load and effort. So for example, I have the scissors, and the fulcrum is in here in the middle, the screw, and the effort is right here, the handles, and this one is the blades are the load. So it looks something like this. So now that we have finished learning about the first class of lever, let's get into the second class of lever. So the second class of lever is when the load is between fulcrum and effort. So for example, this door, the hinges will be the fulcrum, the door itself will be the load, and the door handle will be the effort. So as we open the door, we are putting the force to open it. So the third class of lever is when the effort is between the fulcrum and the load. For example, we're going to use this leaf raker. So the teeth of this leaf raker is the load, and my hands on the bar is the effort, and the other hand is the fulcrum.